1967 Shelby GT350 is on the block now. Let's see what kind of moonshot this is going to be, perhaps.
Yeah, this could be the real surprise that kind of come from nowhere.
Okay.
Because there were only 33 Shelby GT350s built in 1967 with the Paxton supercharger. Now, the K-Code 289, 271 horsepower, bumped to 306 in Shelby. That was the engine that was used in the 67 GT350. They didn't downgrade it until Ford took over the reins of Shelby production in 1968 with the 250 horsepower version. So this is considered a real performance car. 4-speed, great color, high-end restoration. No questions about the authenticity. And those wheel covers, yeah, they're wheel covers. That is 1967 only. That's a hubcap, not a styled wheel.
Well, John, you pegged it. The rarity of this car, the condition and the presentation of this car is a big factor in the number you're seeing at the top of your screen.
Supercharged small block, that's going to give you minimum 50 to 75 horses on the low end.
Right.
You're going to be pushing 400 horsepower out of a small block with only 289 cubic inches. That was phenomenal in 1967.
Yep, well said.
We got 575 bid right here.
In 1967, considered to be the last year where Kel Shelby had heavy influence on the not only the idea behind it, but also the creating of the car. And here we go, $575,000. The reserve is off.
575. Tell you what, it's going to be 585. We got 575 bid. 585,000. Reserves off. The cars for sale. 575. 585,000. Are we all done? 575. 585,000.
So there you have it, guys. $575,000. The Battle of the Titans is Ford versus Mopar today on the for high-end muscle.
With the drag pack options, rotisserie nut and bolt restoration factory 428 Cobra Jet V8 with the drag pack.